Okay guys, this is I haven't been on YouTube for a while, but because maybe I'm busy writing my book, but there's something. This is a thing I got on Amazon. It's about only $80, and you know how I'm doing a video with this webcam, so I bought another camera so I can do like videos outside. It's like I bought a camcorder. Like maybe I could do videos outside. I can walk outside and do videos, not just in my house, but not just in my room, but like I could probably use this to go outside and like get some videos and show you Sioux Falls. Like, yeah, it's on right now. Some camcorder. Like, it was only $80. This camcorder. Seems like I can't use it. Just needs a memory card first. This SD card. Let me find one. So maybe I got this also because I wanted to like see if I can catch some UFOs. Cause you never know if I could ever come across some like UFOs again. Cause like it'd be nice if I ever caught anything strange in my city with this camera. Get some good videos outside.